Imagine you have a table with a list of invoices and some of its data, but you also want to be able to open those invoices straight from Excel without having to go manually into their source folder. There's an easy way to hyperlink multiple files to an Excel spreadsheet. Let me show you how. Here we have the table with our invoices into an Excel spreadsheet, and here we have the folder containing the actual invoices. If you want to follow along, you can download the materials from the link in the description. To hyperlink the invoices to the Excel spreadsheet, select the invoices, right-click, and copy as path. If you do not have copy as path in here, go to your location bar, click on it, and type CMD. Here we need to add a command. We will write dir/b/s/o and enter. So we can see that the location of the invoices has been outputted. Now we need to copy this output. And to do that, we can access the previous command that we've written by pressing on the up arrow and add the pipe operator and right click and enter. So now the location has been copied to the clipboard. Let's go to the Excel file and paste. Let's write in here link. And from here we can use the hyperlink function. So we will create another column. We will call it file. And here we will write hyper and select the hyperlink function. The first part of the function is the link location. So we will click on the link location. And the second part is a friendly name to the hyperlink. We could write PDF into quotes and close the round bracket. Let's double click and flash fill and maybe format it a little bit. And now if we press on the PDF text, Excel will open the invoice. The same thing will happen for the other two links. In our case, we have here the invoice number, which is the same as the actual name. But we could extract the name of the file we are hyperlinking from the file location. So let's copy and paste it somewhere near. And to extract the name of the file from the location, we need to divide each location from this backslash. We can do that from Data tab, Text to Columns, click on Delimited, Next, unselect the tab and choose Other. And we will write here the delimiter of our string. We will write backslash, next, and finish. And now it is left to divide the invoice name from the .pdf. We can do that either by using the same technique and using full stop instead of backslash, or we can press on Ctrl F and replace .pdf with nothing. It will do the same thing. So now, for example, if we want to hyperlink the invoice within this column, we can use the hyperlink function, select the location from here and the name from here. Let's flash fill it, and now we can access the files from here. Regarding the troubleshooting, if the path of the invoice will be changed, the hyperlink won't be available anymore. So the first thing, if I delete accidentally this row, of course the hyperlink won't work. Or within the location, if I delete .pdf, the hyperlink won't work because the path to the file is not correct anymore. If we change the location of the file from this to another one, the hyperlink will also not work. If we move the invoices to another computer, most probably it will also not work because you have a different username and maybe different path. But if this happens, you can always repeat the steps and recreate the hyperlinks. Now you can open files straight from Excel. But if you want to extract data from these invoices into an Excel spreadsheet, check out this video.